Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to integrate Power Virtual Agents with SAP. I am Pablo Piovano, Microsoft MVP, and together with Matias Rebasa, we will be explaining what Power Virtual Agents is and how to integrate it with SAP. But first, I'm going to tell you about a brief introduction about this technology. Power Virtual Agents enables anyone to create powerful chatbots using a guided, no-code graphical interface without the need for data scientists or developers. Power Virtual Agents addresses many of the major issues with chatbot building. It eliminates the gap between subject matter experts and the development teams building the chatbots. It removes the complexity of exposing teams to the nuances of conversational AI and the need to write complex code. It minimizes the IT effort required to deploy and maintain a custom conversational solution by empowering subject matter experts to build and maintain their own conversational solutions. Enable the virtual agent to take action on the customer's behalf. Easily integrate your virtual agent with hundreds of services and systems out of the box, or create custom workflows. Keep an eye on how your virtual agent is performing by using conversational metrics and dashboards. Get in-depth AI-driven insights to improve bot performance. Power Virtual Agents is now using GPT or generative answers to make bot building even easier. Let's look at how we can use GPT to build bots for more powerful conversations. It's easier than ever to get started with Getting Started GPT enabled by Creation. All we have to do is provide a pointer to any company-specific information like agent handbooks, support websites, and proprietary knowledge-based articles, and the bot will enable GPT-powered chat over that corpus to surface answer specific to the data source. In this case, I will use the mRobot website testing the bot. Once the bot is created, I can immediately test it to see mRobot specific bot responses without having to manually author any topics. When you boost your conversations with GPT, the bot will check for any existing manually authored topics that can be triggered. We can identify relevant content from multiple different web pages on their website. GPT gathers this content and paraphrases a friendly, accurate response to return to the customer, improving traditional search capabilities. Remember, all we have done is provide one website address to the bot. With this feature, Power Virtual Agents solves two key problems for the industry. First, bots will be able to answer questions instantly out of the box, dramatically disrupting the traditional multi-month bot development cycle. Now I'd like to turn it over to Matias.
Hello everybody, I'm Matias Rebasa. Thanks Pablo for the explanation about the virtual agent. And now I want to show you how we create a process flow using Power Automate in order to automate a process into the SAP using virtual agent, Power Automate, Forms, and Teams. Okay, let's go to see you how. Imagine that our customer are receiving from marketing a marketing action in order to promote a new product, and I want to or my customer decided to interact with our virtual agent in order to create a new sales order for this particular product. So I will start to interact with our virtual agent. Say, okay, I want to create a new or send a new sales order for the product that you sent me by email. So the virtual agent understood that I want to, or asked me if I want to create a new sales order for this particular product. I answered, okay, yes. And he provided me a link in order to complete all the request data. So I will starting to complete all my data in order to send my purchase order, because I want to buy this product. I select the product, I put the quantity, and so on and so on. Finally, I submit my form. When that's happened, we have created a Power Automate flow that is triggered when receive a completed form submitted. And the first step for this flow is calling to SAP using the BAPI function in order to obtain the credit situation for this customer. All the data provided into the form with the credit situation of this particular customer is put in the message and send it to the responsible customer service for this particular customer. And he or she is receiving all the information into the teams. Let's go to see how. If you see my team, I have received a new request from my customer for the product and the quantity. But also, I have received the credit situation of this customer as well. The next step for our process is a step for approve or reject this request coming from our customer. So I have received a request, and for this particular example, I will be approve this request because, all right, I assume that the credit limit is correct. So I put the comments, approve, and if that happens, my flow is keep running in order to call a new BAPI. In this particular BAPI that I show you in the previous video will be created automatically into the SAP the new sales order. And also we will be receive a new message with the SAP sales order document number created. Let's go to check. Okay, yes, a new message appear with the sales order number here and my customer name. So the new sales order 2852 has been created. Let's go to check into the SAP. Yes, the sales order was created into the SAP. Thanks a lot for showing for this webinar with Pablo and me, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope also see you in the next. Cheers.